Hey guys, we're a family of 3.
We live in our fifth wheel RV full time.
Come check out our home.
So this is our fifth wheel RV. Come check it out. So once you come in here, this is our living room area. We have our dining table and we have 4 chairs. This is where we sit, we eat, we do homework, we do schoolwork, we do work, all on this dining table. And then my favorite part of this RV is this couch. I love to sit over here and recline.
This feels good.
That's what we do. We recline and then we watch movies. Got a remote right here. And so we have 2 of these over here. And then on this side, we have a much bigger couch. So this couch actually transforms into a queen size bed. So when Aiden's cousins come over or we have friends over, you could pull this out and they can sleep on it. I think that's really cool. This is our TV. We have storage over here. We keep our pots and pans up here. And then this is our, like I said, our TV. Behind our TV, there's also storage space because look, you can open it. And we also store a lot of stuff back there. Like we have our printer, we have our surround system. Come this way, baby.
Our TV can kind of transform into a transformer.
Yeah, it's like a transforming TV. And then right here at the bottom, we have a fireplace. So it actually, when in the winter time or when we need heat, yeah, it is hot. I turned it on earlier today. It was kind of cold. And then you kind of morph right into the kitchen. We have an island. This is our drying rack.
Time to wash the dishes.
I think this island is really cool because it has 2 sides. This actually has a cover. You can put the cover, hold on baby, scoot over. You can put the cover on, which we keep under the sink. If you don't need it, or if we don't need the sink, we need the full counter space. We kind of put the cover on and it's covered all the way. But when we're doing dishes and like we're home on a regular day, we don't need that. So we use this as our drying rack. This is the other side. We just have soap and sponge and stuff inside. And then back here, we have our microwave, some sweet notes. We love to write notes for each other. So we have our sweet notes we put over here, up there, just random. I think it adds a nice little touch, you know, makes it feel homey. And then we have our cooktop. Cooktop actually opens up like this. And right here, we cook here. We cook 99% of our meals. We love to cook. Aiden actually cooked this morning. What did you make this morning, baby?
Egg salad.
And then at the bottom right here, we have our
oven.
Our oven. We don't use it as much because the oven just doesn't heat the way we want it to. So we use our air fryer. So this air fryer right here is like probably my favorite thing. We use this like every day. So we use our air fryer instead. Works out really good. And then we have a rice cooker. We have our NutriBullet blender. I love smoothies. So there it is. Oh, right here. Our cabinets. We have all our spices in here. All spices on this side and on that side. And this too opens up like our medicine cabinet. And then my other favorite part of the house is the
fridge.
So we travel full time. So we live in our RV, but we also travel internationally. And we've been to 56 or 57 countries, I think. And so when we travel, every time we go, because we're minimalists, of course, we can't bring back a lot of souvenirs when we travel. So what we do bring back are magnets. So we have magnets here from most of the countries we visited.
Like Peru.
Not all.
And Belize. And Barcelona. Oh, wait, no. And Spain.
Yes.
And Japan.
Which one was your, out of all these countries, Aiden, which one is your favorite?
Japan.
Japan is your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah, Aiden loves Japan. We've actually been to Japan twice. So this picture is actually from Super Nintendo World in Japan. That one is. And so, yeah, so we collect magnets and stuff from all the places we've been to. And then, so I'm going to show you guys what our fridge looks like. Open up. Hold this side, baby. So we got a double door refrigerator. That's what it looks like. All our stuff in here. Like I told you, we cook a lot. So we batch cook. So we always have like bowls of food and everything that we need in here. And then down here is our freezer.
And the ice.
Yeah, we have a freezer. We have an ice maker. And our freezer is like really full. Again, that's because we batch cook. So we freeze a lot of food. This side is our pantry.
This is my favorite second guy. The pantry.
Why is it your favorite?
Because there's snacks and then some instant cooked noodles and then popcorn.
So basically, it's his favorite because of all the snacks.
Yeah.
Aiden loves snacks. So this is his little section right here.
I bet he does.
Yeah, so, and then on this side, This is someone's favorite section. Should we switch the camera out so you can see who it is?
This is my favorite section because it has the coffee machine, the espresso machine. So this is the first place I come to every single morning to make me a nice cup of coffee.
We have a Polaroid camera and we like to do photos and put them right here. I think that's really cute. I love this photo. This is from our honeymoon in Paris.
That's in Paris.
Yeah, 12 years ago.
Were you guys
All right.
on a train?
Yeah, we were on a train, on the bus actually.
We have glasses, and I have my little coffee from different countries that I
So what-
store up there.
What coffee did you drink this morning?
I think I had coffee from Cambodia.
Oh, wow.
I mean, actually Laos.
Laos, yeah, Lao coffee.
Laos coffee. And wine glasses and coffee cups, and that's about it for here.
All right. Let's switch back out this way to continue the tour. And then right here at the bottom, we
Plates.
keep our plates. And then we have a little bar down here.
Whoa, I didn't see it. I actually never noticed that.
You never noticed that? Good, because you're not supposed to notice it. And then if you come out this way, we have something special right here. What is it?
Aiden's room.
Aiden's room. So actually, I bought this for Aiden. Aiden, I bought this for you before you were even born.
What?
Yes, I knew I was going to name your Aiden, and I found this Aiden's room sticker. And so every room that he's ever had has always had this sticker on it. Aiden's room. Okay, Aiden, show us your room.
So, inside my room, we have my bed. I'll sleep here. And then we got some of my stuffed animals. And then down here is my little area. I got my toys down here and my dirty bin and pretty much that. And then my shoes are over here. My clothes are here too. And then another storage cabinet. More clothes are in here. And my favorite part right here.
And what is that?
My computer.
And what do you do?
I
What is your favorite thing to play on here?
blocks fruits.
I'm going to show you guys this way. Aiden, come and show us the loft.
Okay.
So if you come up this way, so I'm going to say this real quick. So Aiden's room had a couch before. There was a couch in there. And my husband took the couch out and then he built a bed. So it wasn't actually like this is not. We bought the RV with the couch in there. And then he took that out last week actually. And then put like a bed in there for him, which I think is like really, really amazing. All right. So before Aiden had his bed built in his room, where did you sleep, baby?
Up here.
He slept up here in the loft.
At Aiden's drive.
Yeah. All right.
Hi.
The loft actually is pretty big. So who else slept up here with you?
Ethan and Avery and Nyanya.
Yeah, so Aiden and all his cousins, so all 4 of the kids, and the kids are, how old are they? 11, 10, 10, and 9, and all the kids literally fit up here and slept. So the loft is actually pretty big, bigger than a lot of people think.
Yep, it's big.
And so yeah, but Aiden doesn't sleep in the loft anymore now that he has his bed in his room. And then we have this map here. It's supposed to be a scratch-off map, but we actually haven't scratched it off yet.
I've been asking you, when are we going to scratch it off?
Aiden has been asking me. Okay, I promise. We need to find time and scratch off all the places we've been to. We just haven't done that yet. All right, so once you come back here, we have a blind over here because this actually leads to our bathroom, toilet, shower, everything. So over here, as you can see, is our bathroom. We got a sink, we've got our shower, and on the left side, we've got our toilet. And we've got this beautiful photo of Aiden from when he was a baby. Yeah, you can see a toilet. And then we hang our towels over here. This way. So our shower is actually right here. I'm gonna open it up so they can see what it looks like. Shower is actually pretty big. So I can fit in here. My husband's 6'2" and he fits in here just fine. As you can see, it's pretty spacious inside of here. And then back here is the primary room. Over here. Aiden, why are you in my room? So right here is our bedroom. Over here, we've got a California king bed, which is really big. We should actually get a smaller mattress that would probably give us more room in here. But we actually went with the California king, so it's pretty big in here. This is our drawer. My stuff is right here. I have my stuff right here. My husband's is at the bottom. And then we have our TV. We love watching TV in the room, so we have a TV in here. So on this side, we have what people are usually surprised about that. Like, oh my God, you have that in an RV? Yes, we have a washer and dryer. And one of my favorite things is like being able to do laundry whenever I want to. So I love having a washer and dryer in here. And then over here is our closet. This is our closet. This is basically all the clothes that we have between my husband and I. Everything right here. There's all his clothes, mine, everything mixed together, a laundry basket. Our bed is pretty cool. When you lift it up, we have storage underneath. Look at that. We've got our shoes over here, and then we've got like storage underneath right there. So that's pretty cool. And then we have, you can see all the funny happy birthday, welcome home. Well, my birthday was not too long ago, so I still have that up and I'm not taking it down. I actually like that in there. So I think that is basically it about the RV. Thanks for watching our RV tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Peace out, guys.